In this video, I will show you how you can access your old passwords on any iPhone. Now, to do that, just go to Settings, and under Settings, just tap on your Apple ID. From here, just tap on iCloud, and in front of Save to iCloud, just tap on See All. Now just scroll down and look for the option for passwords and keychain. After that, just make sure you enable the toggle for sync this iPhone. Now if this toggle is disabled, just enable it from here. And once the syncing process has been completed, now just go to your home screen and open the app library. Now under the app library, just look for the Passwords app. Now just scan your face using your Face ID. Now after that, all your old passwords which are saved on your iCloud will be synced to your iPhone. Now just select the password which you want to access, and from here you can access all your old passwords. Just like that. But if you're using an older iPhone, you might not have the Passwords app on your iPhone. For that, just go to your home screen and go to Settings. Now in the main settings page, just scroll down and over here you will find an option called Passwords. Just tap on Passwords and you will open the password section on your iPhone. And this is how you can access old passwords on any iPhone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.